Now, breathe in and out. Deep breath in and out. You can do this exercise in any position that you want. It's better if you're sitting. Relax. Find a place where you cannot be disturbed. Breathe in, breathe out. Very, very deep. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Relax. 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 Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Now, let's visualize a bright light right surrounding your head. Feel this energy going down the back of your head in your higher mind. It's very, very bright. Feel the warmth. It's going down now. Your forehead, your nose, your lips, your jaw. It's clearing all the energy down in your shoulder, your arms, your fingers, your chest. It's going down through your stomach, your thighs, your calves, your feet. This energy is going all the way down through the center of the earth. You're feeling very, very relaxed now. Breathe in and breathe out. We're gonna count from 20 to 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna activate the sky happiness to activate connections. Every day and every way, I am embracing other people into my space of existence. Every day and every way, I am accepting myself and accepting others. Every day and every way, I am opening my heart chakra and inviting people into my space of existence. Every day and every way, I am opening my mind and allowing others into my life. Every day and every way, I am connecting meaningfully with other human beings. Every day and every way, I am allowing others to communicate with me through their heart. Now, we're going to activate the inner power of the moon to activate your money ideas. Every day and every way, I am money making ideas. Every day, in every way, I am creating wonderfully. Every day, in every way, I am fulfilling my life with greatness. Every day, in every way, I am developing awareness. Every day, in every way, I am one with my abundance and fortune. Every day and every way, I am receiving money-making ideas to help the world. Every day and every way, I am making financial progress. Now we're going to activate, in this case, we're going to deactivate an internal rejection that's coming through the hook spirit. Every day and every way, I am accepting my past decisions with grace and respect for myself. Every day and every way, I am taking accountability for my own decisions. Every day and every way, I am letting go ended cycles and experiences. Every day and every way, I am accepting the present timeline as it is. Every day and every way, I am releasing energy knots. Every day and every way, I am closing cycles. Every day and every way, I am removing and unchaining myself from blockages. Every day and every way, I am experiencing freedom in every cell of my body. Now, we're gonna deactivate never-ending cycles with the piercing rope. Every day in every way, I am healing transgenerational cycles. Every day in every way, I am creating freedom mentally. Every day in every way, I am creating emotional freedom. Every day in every way, I am creating spiritual freedom. Every day in every way, I am experiencing mind freedom. Every day in every way, I am one with my inner peace. Every day in every way, I am calm, at peace, at home. I am myself again.